yo, yaggity yo. BeksandEmmy. I'm in Beks. Yo, yaggity yo.
Hey. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bex.
And I'm Emmy.
In today's video, we are doing the Not My Hands Challenge.
It's a little edited because she's got stuffy arms and I got big arms.
I'm like a T-Rex.
Basically.
So if you'd like to see how Emily got this natural, everyday makeup look by
minimal products, light, everyday natural look,
then please keep watching.
No, you put yours through my hole.
Pick up the glasses, bitch. I can't put it through the armholes because then I can't reach check shit.
Are you serious?
Can you set up?
That's how it's played. That's how it's played.
Hi guys, to start today's video, I'm gonna be putting on foundation.
That's the point though, is that you put your hands through my...
God, but then I can't reach anything. I seriously can't reach, so I can't do that.
Sorry, I'm fat.
This is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte in the shade.
It's not my color.
Golden Ochre.
Okay.
Okay.
Je m'appelle Joy.
Anytime, anywhere, baby boy, I can just be here. Bring me in, treat me out, fill me out.
That's gross.
Okay, now we're gonna conceal.
Oh my god, I can't.
I'm just gonna apply it on the high points of the face. This is honestly harder than it looks. Down the bridge of the nose. On the Cupid's bow.
I'm gonna hate this video.
On the forehead.
I hate seeing you. Focus.
I'm gonna blend this now first, and then I'll do the under eyes. This is how I do my face. How do you feel?
My eyes are watering.
Yeah, that's because you're a bitch.
Don't say those kind of words.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Fast forward.
You'll bleep them out. You can just bleep them. Oh my god. Here.
Oh, that's nice. What if I wasn't recording?
Watching you do this is really...
Oops, that's close to your eye. Ew, I don't want to feel your hot breath.
You the beauty blender with my mouth.
Stop. Okay, I'm not blending that. Okay. You're not letting me.
That's so ugly.
Look up. Look up.
I can't.
Okay, well, she didn't give me a face powder to set with.
This is the powder to set with.
So I'm just going to set with the bronzer.
Yeah. That's really close to my eyes.
That's the point, dumb bitch.
Stop being
Okay, I'm just going to set her whole face. I like seeing your gullet jiggle.
Don't make fun of my 8 chins.
I'm not making fun of your gullet. Oh, that's an oily nose. I like in this bird's eye view of Emma's face. Stop breathing.
I'm sick.
So you have to breathe?
Yes.
Oh, shoot. Good catch, Becca's 4th hands.
My 8th chin caught that.
Good catch, Chinny. Okay, now.
Can you use the big powder brush and blend it a little more?
No. Okay, now. Oh my god, stop. Now I'm going to blend it a little more with the big powder brush. Yeah, this is... I'm not doing this right. I'm cheating.
Yeah.
But I can't reach. Fine. I'll just do a shit job. You got a ham... I just can't see. Okay, now. I'm gonna bronze the face. I just can't put it through your armholes.
Sorry.
I'm gonna bronze the forehead.
That tickled. Oh, that tickles really
Okay,
tickles.
now I'm gonna highlight. Oops. I'll make it work. We're gonna glow to the gods.
Good thing.
At least one thing will be right here. Please turn so I can make sure I'm getting proper. Other way. I need to check the. Oh, yeah. That's what I like.
Beam me up, Scotty.
That's what I like to see.
You
It's
might-
like we're on the edge right now.
Look at my crease.
Ooh,
creases.
this is good. I should just look in this mirror. Oh, yeah.
That tickles so much.
That's a winner. On the next, we're gonna do it on the tip of the nose, down the bridge, and on the Cupid's bow. Oh yeah. Okay, now we're gonna do some eyeshadow. Oh shit. We're gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill Murphy palette.
Honestly, guys, sorry that we're not doing this the way it should be done. But whatever, we're having a good time, so.
Okay, we're gonna do a nice bold look today. We're gonna dig into this, our transition shade first. Close, and you cannot open until I say.
Anytime, anywhere, baby boy, I can just be here. Feeling, creep me out, feel me out, running through your bitch.
It didn't even take it off.
She treats my stuff like crap.
I do not. Emily, this is harder than it looks.
Stop. Stop being mean.
You don't have a lip color?
Yeah, I do.
Where?
Why don't you do my rest of my eyes? Oh my god, you squeezed my foundation all over.
Where?
Bitch.
I can't remember the last time you used that foundation.
Nah, it's been a hot minute.
I'm just gonna get rid of that. But it's not really working.
Okay, why don't you
Okay, now
do
I'm gonna-
brows or liner or something?
Liner. Nice.
Ow!
I'm trying to get comfortable.
Sorry, do you want to sit on a saddle?
Alright, we're gonna go with a liquid liner. Stop! You can't do that! Cheater! Stop. I'm not gonna mess them up.
Stop wiping stuff on my back.
Okay, we're gonna
That's
line.
what she said.
We're gonna line the lashes. Close your eyes. You cannot open. I will fuck it up. Stop. Can you move over there? I'm trying to look in the mirror.
You need to
Sit
relax.
Stop acting like you run this rodeo.
Let me not quit the shit. You made it good shit. Let me not quit the good shit.
That's as good as that one's gonna get. Now we're gonna curl the lashes.
No.
Now we're gonna apply some mascara and then falsies.
No falsies.
Oops.
I'll just blink. Never mind. I'm gonna keep my eyes closed.
Good idea. Ooh, that's good. Do that. I can feel what you're doing on the brush. Okay.
That sounds so naughty. I can feel what you're doing on the brush.
Other eye. Okay. Looking good. Looking fresh. Looking fly.
I'm looking fresh. Brows. Don't spin it up too much or it'll break.
Nice.
I haven't used this like in a long time
Okay,
because it's kind of trash. So
I'm gonna spoolie that.
I put in work on you every day when the night fall to the sun come. You done fell in love with a bad guy. Don't compromise my passion. You know what you do for me, I'm doing the same for you. I don't be tripping or making mistakes. I made too many.
Honestly, why don't you ask me to do your brows every day? Alright, Alright, next. I wish you had a dark lip color. Stop.
I feel like a slave.
Alright, all we gotta do is some lips and then we're done,
God,
folks.
that probably has foundation on it. Don't wipe that on me. Don't. Oh, I like that the palette name. Vavavoom. Shook. That's a nice one.
Okay. Great, I can't even find her lips. Can you pucker them a little?
Hey, would you mind to pucker those for me?
Seriously, make this easier for me.
Oh yeah.
I don't be tripping or making mistakes. I made too many in my past. So I fight.
Yeah.
Oh, it's all teeth. Oh, there we go. Alrighty, guys.
Well, guys, all we need is a little setting spray.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just kidding. Don't. Oh, my God.
Close. Wait, I'm gonna get on myself, too.
Well, guys, there you have it. My everyday, natural, minimal product. Get ready with me.
I'm making my bookings for the new year, so if you need your makeup done,
Oh, my God.
Hit my
She
line.
got my Becca highlighter.
I bought it for you. You can do what I want with it.
No.
Alrighty, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell! Bye, guys.